This is Radio Plymouth. Welcome to breakfast on Thursday, 26th of July, on a beautiful sunny day across the Hoe. It's the day we've been waiting for as MTV presents Ocean City Sounds on the Hoe. Going to be great acts there, including Professor Green, Ella Eyre, and of course Bastille performing tonight as well. Really can't wait. Now, what are you most looking forward to by Ocean City Sounds tonight? You can pop us a text if you want to, or call 590 590. This is Radio Plymouth. Morning.
To someone I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. And pull me closer tonight, keep holding my hand. I know this ain't love, but let me stay the night. I said let me stay a while. 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 I said let me stay a while.
Hello, we're Bastille. We are so excited to be on Plymouth Hoe. Finally. Woody's been wanting to play here since we started as a band. He actually brought us to come see it.
Yeah,
When we first got
just scope it out, yeah.